You're watching KETK's East Texas Living with David Gibson.
Welcome back. Joining me now is Heather and Riley, and they're here to share about the Sounds of East Texas Awards. How are y'all?
Good.
We're great.
Feeling good.
How are you?
Yes, well, we're glad to have you back, kind of in a different setting,
Yes.
but kind of on the same thing.
Right.
So, tell me a little bit about what the Sounds of East Texas Awards are.
Yeah, so it is a brand new awards platform that I created, and as it came together, I brought along Riley as a partner, since we're both artists and share a passion and understanding on music. And we wanted to continue to see our community grow, because we know music right now is just more so ever growing in Tyler and just really all of Texas, East Texas. And we just want to continue to see this grow by creating this multi-genre awards platform, as it will be open to all artists and music professionals and venues across Texas.
Yeah, and that was my next question. Who can be nominated and how does that work?
So the submission process will be open up sometime this year. We're working hard on finalizing all the categories that will recognize all the music industry professionals in Texas. We want to really highlight all the hands that go into music here, not just artists like ourselves, but venues, music video producers, studios that work hard here to get our sound out there. Sounds of East Texas. But our submissions will be on our website, Sounds of East Texas.
Sounds of East Texas Awards.
Yes.
Obviously,
we're
it'll be
working
up once
on
we're ready to open up that submission process.
Yes, sometime this year.
Yeah.
Oh, that is amazing. And I know there's so much talent here in East Texas.
Yes.
So much.
We have had quite a few just here on the show already. And I can't wait to see more.
Yeah, we're excited to highlight that.
Yes, I know. There was one this week, 15 years old, already going big places.
Wow.
And so I just know opening this up you'll see even more come out.
That's exactly the goal here, yeah.
Yes.
To see the community grow,
Yeah.
and which is definitely
It's
needed something else like that.
Fostering the community.
Yes.
Basically, keeping it going, keeping it, the legacy alive. here.
Yes. Well, do y'all have like kind of a date of when the show is going to be, or?
So we have the trajectory of 2027, most likely going to be in the fall, early winter sometime. That way we have all this year to plan and prep. This is something that we are definitely in the early stages of growing. And that's why we feel opening up nominations later this year will also give us time to have people submit and us to look it over, and then we'll have all the following next year to prep the venue and announce that.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, how can artists, bands, venues, and even professionals expect if they get involved?
It's literally just highlighting our community. It's all hands in, just like we all are in this music community. It's very tight knit here. Just supporting each other and making something happen that will hopefully last a very long time.
Yes.
We're willing to connect with nonprofit organizations as well. So if any of those want to reach out, they're more than welcome to.
Sponsorships.
Yeah.
I mean,
Companies, whoever want to be a part of it.
Doing some little things here and there throughout the year, maybe like some songwriter things to get it going and network and just really dive in.
Oh, that'd be amazing. I was about to ask you if people want to help, how can they help?
Any help is needed. They can reach out to me or Heather. We also have our email through our website as well. So if you do want to get involved, we're all ears. And yeah, we just want community-driven goals for us all to reach them. So.
Alrighty, well, thank y'all so much for stopping by and sharing this amazing thing.
Yeah,
Of course.
Thank you. Thank you for having us, as always.
Yes, all right. Well, for more information, you can go to that website right there on your screen.